Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to record your trip in the Speedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the recording button at the top of the page on the left. And once it starts recording, you will be notified at the bottom of the page. And until you decide to tap the recording button again, your trip will be recorded. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.